Hello, it's Crafty Rhea. Welcome to another video. Today I am going to be using these plain note cards and making them into something special using some of the Beebeecraft products that I recently received from the company. Beebeecraft is an awesome website and they have a big variety of crafting supplies that almost every crafter would be able to find something useful there. I am part of their YouTube program, and you can be part of their YouTube program as well. All you need is a YouTube channel with 100 subscribers. Head on over to the website. I'll put the link below and apply for their YouTube program. What it is they let you choose $40 worth of items from the website, your choice. They ship it to you for free, and in exchange, you do 3 videos. You do an unboxing and then 2 project tutorial videos, and this is my second project tutorial video for this Beebeecraft order. I will put links to everything I use in the description box below. Also, for my viewers, they have a coupon code where you will get $5 off of $40, and my coupon code is Tiggeria15, Tiggeria15, and enter that in. You get $5 off of $40. Plus, if you spend $39 or more, you also get free worldwide shipping. So it really ends up being a great deal. They have a great selection and their prices are reasonable. Like I said, all of my affiliate links will be in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started. I have these 2 blank note cards. This one is from Sentimental Studios. And this one is American Greetings Designer Collection. I had received these in Happy Mail, and I'm going to go ahead and make them fancy because you know I'm Crafty Rhea. I can't just leave it alone, can I? I have to embellish it. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'll do the blue one first. I'm really excited to use this trim, this beautiful butterfly trim that I got from Beebeecraft. So cool. Comes much neater than this in a package with 5 yards of it. And I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece the length of the card. And I'll just start with the end butterfly, and I'm going to cut off these 5 butterflies. And I'm just going to cut it where they are joined together, just very carefully. There we go. And that way it keeps both of the butterflies intact. So no butterflies were harmed in the making of this card. And there is definitely a front and a back. You can tell really good on this orange one. There's the front, and then the back has some white on it. So they will be flying in this direction. And I thought I would put them on the card just above this border. We have the big dots and then the little dots. And I thought I would use that as a border and place those just above it. And then we have these big butterflies. I have this butterfly set that has these 2 styles of butterflies, but I thought I would use one of these big ones as the focal image of the card. I want to pick one that goes good with the trim, so let me try a few. I'm thinking that orange would be really good because it'll pull out the orange, the green, and the pink. Let me look and see if I like any other ones better. I think the purple will be too dark. I don't know if there's a blue. There's that pink. We used that on the other card the other day. There's a dark blue, but I think he's too dark. I think the orange is going to be our best bet for this particular card. It does really pop on that blue as background as well. So I think that will be what I use. So let me put the rest of these away. They come in a great variety of colors. And I didn't mention in the other videos, but I did notice it when I looked them up on the website. They have a shiny back. There, you can see it. And it does say that they are iron-on patches. So if you're using them on fabric, you can iron them on, which is great. And they would look cute on jeans or a fabric purse or a t-shirt or wherever you want to put them. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just adhere these down. I'm going to place my adhesive on the card. I'm going to use my ATG and just place it kind of where I want the middle of the butterflies to be. And I'm going to do a triple line of it, just so there's a nice thick layer of it, so it adheres the butterflies down really well. And then I'll just line up my butterflies and press them down. If there's any adhesive poking out, you can rub it right off. That adhesive is great. It does come off real easy. So we have the butterflies, and then I will put this butterfly right on there. And I think I'm just going to have him fly possibly the same way or maybe kind of straight. I don't like anything to be straight, because if it's straight and I put it on there crooked, it will really show up crooked. So if I purposely put it on there crooked and make it look like it was meant to be crooked, then that will work as well. And I think this adhesive should be able to work on the back. If you have one of those little mini irons or heat tools, I bet you could iron this right onto your paper. I don't have such a thing. There we go. And that looks so pretty. I love the way that came out, and that's just a store-bought card with the butterfly, and you could write your sentiment on the inside. I will probably still put my stamp on the back. I didn't hand make the whole card, but I did a lot of the hand making work on there. And this card is really pretty with the grays and greens and blues. Again, it's blank inside, from Sentimental Studios from Hallmark. So we have American Greetings versus Hallmark. On this card, I thought I would use this ribbon. This is So Trendy. What's the name of it? Oh, So Trendy. Because it goes so well with the card. It's the perfect gray, and it has that silver. I just thought it needed a little bit of ribbon on there. And I'm going to place that right about there for right now. And I want to use one of these flowers. Again, these are patches from Beebeecraft. And they come in quite a variety of colors. And I think I have gray. I do. And I thought that gray would look perfect with that. And then to switch it up, I'm going to use these little butterflies from Beebeecraft. These came together with the larger ones. And I think I'll use that yellow one on the card, and then that yellow center of the flower really pops. These come in all sorts of colors as well. So pretty. And they have the backing where I believe they are all iron-on. The flowers are also iron-on. They have that clear backing. There is that green one too. I think the yellow one pops more though than the green. The green matches the rest of the card. But I think the yellow one matches the center of that flower and really pops. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with the yellow. All right, I'm going to start by adhering the ribbon down. And I don't think there is a right or a wrong side to the ribbon. I'm going to lay down some of my adhesive right on it. And I don't have anything to tuck it behind, so I'm just going to go ahead and trim the edge off. Line it up with the card and just trim. And these are smaller than the other butterfly, and it would be a little harder to run my adhesive on the back. So I'm going to use a glue dot for these. I'll cut off 2 of the glue dots. And I'll use one for the flower. I'm just going to put it down in the center of the flower. These are super strong glue dots, so they should adhere quite well. I'm going to put this flower kind of down in that corner. And I will use one just in the center of the butterfly. And I'm just going to set him up in that upper corner there just to balance it out. There we go. And in just a few minutes, we have really nice decorated store-bought cards. So if someone gives you some store-bought cards, or if you buy a package of them and you want to do something just to make them pretty, give them your own touch, it's just really easy to put embellishments like these on them. Super easy, super fast, and they now are one of your creations. Let me know in the comments below which one you liked better. Who wins, the orange butterfly or the yellow butterfly? If you haven't yet checked out Beebeecraft, I will have all of their links, including my coupon code, in the description box below. Please go check them out. If you have checked them out, let me know what your favorite product is from them. If you haven't yet checked out my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, I would love it if you did. Everybody there is so nice, such a great group of crafters. We have a really good time in the group. If you haven't yet subscribed, please click on that subscribe button right down there, and then click on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.